over the past 10 years, beginning fiscal year 2013-14, Jamaica has achieved all of its fiscal targets in the budgetary process. That's 10 years. 3 years under the prior administration and 7 years under this administration. 2013-14, the fiscal target was not met in 2012-13. Okay? 2013-14, 2014-15, and 2015-16. Then you take under Prime Minister Holness's time, 16-17, 17-18, 18-19, 19-20. 2021 was COVID, so we used the when we revised the budget, we met that target. 21-22, 22-23. And if we meet it this year, there's still a couple of days to go, it would be the 8th under this administration and 11th consecutive year overall. Fiscal credibility has improved dramatically as a result, and the trust in Jamaica's economic policy-making environment has multiplied several-fold. This in turn has made Jamaica a much more attractive destination for investment and explains in part the robust growth in jobs. The more fiscally credible you are, is the better our terms in the trading with the rest of the world.